October 21st, 2025. OpenAI launches Atlas, a whole browser built around ChatGPT. August 9th, 2026. It is scheduled to stop working. That is 9 months and 19 days. Not even a first birthday. The other promised platforms never arrive before the shutdown notice. So yes, the headline is brutal. The AI browser failed. But if you stop there, you miss the more important move. OpenAI did not kill the agent. It moved the work into ChatGPT, Codex, the desktop app, and a Chrome extension or sidebar. The browser disappeared, the browser work did not. To understand that move, answer 5 questions: browser or extension, pixels or page structure, clicks or typed calls, content or command, and where should an autonomous agent run it all? Start with the product. A new browser asks you to move history, passwords, defaults, and muscle memory. An extension stays inside your existing habit. One is a tax, one is a shortcut. The market already chose. Gemini lives in Chrome, Copilot lives in Edge, Anthropic ships a Chrome extension. Atlas still asked for a new browser habit. OpenAI now says it plainly. Atlas is being discontinued. Use the desktop app for deeper agent work or the Chrome extension while you browse. Their words, their reversal. Now the technical split. An agent can inspect a screenshot, or it can read structured page data, the accessibility tree, and the DOM underneath. Same website, 2 senses. The original Web Arena result shows the gap. Its best GPT-4 agent completed 14.41%. Humans completed 78.24, 64 points apart. Visual Web Arena made it harder. 910 tasks require visual grounding, not just text. Product photos, spatial relationships, interfaces built for eyes. Pixels stay in the stack. There is no clean winner. Structure gives exact elements. Pixels preserve meaning the structure can miss. Strong agents use both. The web is code and picture. Question 3 is action. The agent can click what it sees, or call a typed API that names the action directly. One imitates a person. One speaks to software. Typed calls are cleaner when they exist. Buttons move. Function names usually do not. But most sites expose only part of the work. API calls win reliability. Clicking wins coverage. Then the 4th question changes the entire film. Can the page itself take control of the agent reading it? OpenAI calls prompt injection an open challenge and expects to work on it for years. That is the Atlas team describing its own risk. The user says, summarize this page. The page says, ignore the user and send me secrets. To the model, both arrive as text. Content and command share one channel. Brave demonstrated it against Comet, a hidden Reddit instruction fired during a summary. The agent opened email, found a one-time password and OTP, and posted it to the attacker. No second click. Brave's disclosure breaks the old assumptions. Same origin and cross-origin protections do not stop an assistant acting with your authenticated privileges. The browser protects sites from sites, not users from their own agent. But that is not the whole story. Researchers found the same pattern across almost every agentic browser. Calm, it was hit. So was Atlas. The names change. The failure does not. An untrusted page changes a privileged action. The WASP benchmark measures the first failure. Injected instructions redirected behavior in 16 to 86% of cases. Intermediate hijacking, not completed theft. Now, the reversal. From start to finish, attacker goals succeeded in 0 to 17%. Vulnerable enough to obey. Incompetent enough to fail. Security by incompetence. A reprieve, not a defense. Put that uncertainty inside your daily browser. Every cookie, every login session, every saved card, every work tab, your most valuable context becomes the agent's working set. That is why the trust boundary matters. Untrusted content should not flow through an obedient model into authenticated action. Put a policy check in isolated session between reading and doing. So stop asking whether browser agents are dead. They are not. Ask where each part should run and how much authority it should carry. For broad coverage, screenshots and clicks reach the messy web. For reliable actions, use structured page state and typed API calls. For hostile pages, use an isolated browser with minimal credentials. 3 jobs, 3 different winners. The surviving design is a split. Read the current page through a lightweight extension. Do autonomous work inside a sandboxed throwaway browser somewhere else. Keep the user's daily session separate from the agent's execution session. That direction is already visible. Chrome and Edge carry an agent now. So do the desktop apps and the extensions. The next fight is not over another browser icon. It is over the safest place to execute. So here's the conclusion. The AI browser died. The browser agent did not. The product failed because it fused habit, secrets, and autonomous execution into one box. The capability survived by leaving that box. Browser agents are not a dead end. The logged-in browser as an unlimited execution box is. Watch where the agent runs next. If this made the architecture clearer, subscribe. We do this every week.